Hi, my name is Andrea Coyne, Key Account Manager here at QC Supply. I'm here today to show you QC Supply's DuraFan line, designed with efficiency, durability, and dependability. Whether you're in construction, agriculture, or manufacturing, DuraFan is a solution made to perform. The DuraFan 18 circulating fan, perfect for your area with large debris like poultry barns and livestock buildings. It features painted aluminum blades, an outdoor rated motor, and a 9-foot heavy-duty cord, easy to clean and maintain. For those tight spaces, the DuraFan 18-inch non-oscillating wall mount fan is perfect. It's built with a high-grade steel and tilts up to 300 degrees, making it very versatile for any setup. It's great for those wash bays, poultry houses, and much more. Over here is our DuraFan 24-inch indoor-outdoor oscillating wall mount fan. Ideal for those high moisture environments like your wash bays and greenhouses. It's made of a high-grade steel with adjustable wall mounts for flexible airflow, perfect for any indoor and outdoor use. For your high-volume air circulation, check out the DuraFan 24-inch high-volume basket fan. It's built for extreme conditions. It's ideal for cooling livestock buildings and warehouses with its durable design. Finally, the DuraFan 24-inch Select Speed Shutter Fan. It's your go-to for removing condensation, excess heat, and fumes. Easy to install with a built-in speed switch and a 9-foot cord. It's perfect for those greenhouses and livestock barns. DuraFan focuses on efficiency, durability, and dependability. Our line includes basket fans, pit and tube fans, shutter fans, and wall mount fans. We offer a complete line of replacement parts should you ever need them. At QC Supply, we're committed to providing durable, high-quality ventilation solutions. These are just a few of our models. To see our full line, visit our website at qcsupply.com or check your nearest location.